All right, welcome back. We are in beautiful Boulder, Colorado. It is
beautiful.
A little overcast today, but beautiful sunshine. We're having fun being outside with this 2021 Civic Type R. It's a beauty.
Anniversary edition.
Anniversary edition, that's right, yeah. We're going to talk today about Key Fob batteries. So most of, if not all of your new vehicles will have the battery light on the dash talking about low Key Fob battery. So Justin's going to go through and show you how to replace that battery. Also give you the part number on the battery, although they do vary. And most of the time I think you can get them at the grocery store hanging up on the battery rack, right? Yeah. Or of course, stop by Fisher Auto in Boulder. We'd love to take care of you. So take it away, good.
All right, so most new keys, they all basically look like this. The battery is inside here. So what you want to do, release the key from the remote. You're going to stick in between here the key, and you're just going to turn it. That'll release it, pops it open. Maybe. And then there's the battery there. So here's the part number that you're usually looking for, the CR2032. Again, that's something that can be found in a grocery store, your local Honda dealer. Just look there, match it, bring it with you. No problem. Putting it back together real simple. You start at the top, match it, and just push it together. Insert the key. There you go. Super simple.
Fantastic. That was an easy one.
Yeah, very.
We're going to make you think harder next time. Anyway,
yeah.
Good to hang out with you guys again. Hope you find these videos helpful, and we look forward to our next one. Take care.